Looking for furnace installation and replacement in St Albert? At Kingstree Plumbing, we provide expert heating solutions to keep your home warm and energy efficient all year round. Our licensed technicians specialise in high-efficiency furnace installations and seamless replacements, ensuring safe, reliable and code-compliant service with no hidden fees. As St Albert's trusted heating experts, we understand Alberta's cold winters and offer customised furnace solutions designed to lower heating costs while maximising comfort. For professional furnace installation and replacement, choose Kingstree Plumbing, your local heating specialists in St Albert.